Learning about plant-based nutrition and hearing this message first can be really earth-shattering for some people and really overwhelming. So a number of tools and places we suggest people start is, the first place would be watching a documentary such as Forks Over Knives, which is now readily available on platforms such as Netflix. We think that's an excellent documentary that gives a number of scientific references, historical references, and also takes a number of patients who have chronic disease, teaches them how to eat and cook plant-based diets, and then follows them for 8 or 12 or 24 weeks. And their transformation is just extraordinary. So we suggest most of our patients to watch Forks Over Knives as sort of a preliminary background to better understand what we're trying to achieve here, and show them that there's legitimate science supporting this approach. It's not just someone's opinion. Another great book that we think most people should read, and I think it's very well read and an easy read, would be a book by Dr. John McDougall called The Starch Solution. I think this is an excellent reference that we recommend everybody as much as they can to read. That book is also available on audiobook for those of you who are traveling or spend a lot of time in your car. And then finally, another excellent book we think is a good reference would be a book called The 4-Leaf Guide. And it can be read in about 2 hours. A very succinct summary of the main principles of plant-based nutrition. A couple of chapters there on practical tips and cooking tips. There's a chapter there on how to talk to your doctor about plant-based nutrition, and another few chapters there on some excellent references that you may find useful as well. It also recommends, again, watching Forks Over Knives as a first place and as a preliminary sort of background to help you become informed about both the science and the practice of whole food plant-based nutrition.